Number 30 to the back line. There's a cross deflected out. Now up top near the inside of the box, on the ground in the box. Now there's a flurry of action for the ball. Shot towards the net, and it's going to be wide of the net. Both teams battling here on the near side. There's the cross in front of the net. Deflected away 25 with a shot on goal. Too much mustard on it over the crossbar. Put into play here on the near side towards the back line. Now up top, number 19 with the right leg, going to take that shot to the net. And 29th minute, so 1 minute to go. Ball in the box, now back out, shot to the net over the crossbar. Pocket pick back the other way, shot to the goal, and a diving stop to his right. Number 47, Tomas Barrera. Cross, far side, number 61 with a shot to the net. Hits the near post, comes bouncing out. And Victor Parada with the save. Number 6. Daniels kick towards the net. High into the air goes the keeper. Hits the post. Did it go in? It did go in. It looked like it did from this angle. Right off the hands of Sarah, the keeper. Inside the near post. And from this angle, you could see it. The ball disappeared momentarily right behind the post. That's a clean score. Ball across field. There's a shot with the left leg right into the hands of Victor Parado. Dylan Panarieta. His cross inside, deflected away. Keeper comes out, can't save it. In front of the net, Dabrowski with a shot to the net. Saved by the defense. Ball rolls to the back line. Rolls out. Ball to the back line. That's just part of it. There's a cross. Very long shot to the net. Oh, it's going to be deflected away. Bryce Duke shot with the right leg right into the hands of the keeper, Sarda. Daniel Rajlik with the throw, and Dabrowski to the back line. Now he's going to move inside. Can he get the cross? Number 64, Robinson, in front of the net, fires it into the back of the net, and scores the second goal of the game for the Magic. Beautiful setup right there. The throw-in by Rajlik. Dabrowski, number 75, takes it to the far side, moves in. He saw Robinson right there in front, fired it to Jonathan, and there he is with the score.